Kellen, how hard is it to do an oil change on a 918 Spyder?
It's not very hard to do an oil change on a 918 Spyder. It's just time consuming and tedious.
And what are some of the common misconceptions when it comes to doing an oil change on a car like this, as opposed to a car like a standard 911 or something of that nature?
The big difference, 918s and CGTs, just they take a lot of extra time and care to actually get on a lift, where a regular 911 you can just pull up, lift up, and drain.
And is this a normal day in the shop for us?
Yeah, this is just another Tuesday.